100 essential very basic sentences with do.
100 essential very basic sentences with do.
Do usages questions examples?
Do usages questions examples?
Do you have any sisters?
Do you have any sisters?
Do you like parties?
Do you like parties?
Do you have a lot of drama in your life?
Do you have a lot of drama in your life?
Do you have any brothers?
Do you have any brothers?
Do you have a boyfriend?
Do you have a boyfriend?
Do we get free treatment?
Do we get free treatment?
Do you like to write in a journal?
Do you like to write in a journal?
Do you exercise regularly?
Do you exercise regularly?
Do you have a ticket?
Do you have a ticket?
Do you have many friends?
Do you have many friends?
Do you talk to your horses?
Do you talk to your horses?
Do you know who I am?
Do you know who I am?
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Do you have any problems at home?
Do you have any problems at home?
Do you like to wear makeup?
Do you like to wear makeup?
Do you have everything?
Do you have everything?
Do you like this place?
Do you like this place?
Do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
Do you hear me?
Do you hear me?
Do you have a driver's license?
Do you have a driver's license?
Do you snore?
Do you snore?
Do you like to use social media?
Do you like to use social media?
Do you understand?
Do you understand?
Do you have any weekend plans?
Do you have any weekend plans?
Do you usually eat lunch alone?
Do you usually eat lunch alone?
Do you take out the trash every day?
Do you take out the trash every day?
Do you like to go hiking?
Do you like to go hiking?
Do you exercise regularly?
Do you exercise regularly?
Do you hear me?
Do you hear me?
Do you like rap?
Do you like rap?
Do you like tennis?
Do you like tennis?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you drink coffee?
Do you drink coffee?
Do you think I am to blame?
Do you think I am to blame?
Do you think I am ugly?
Do you think I am ugly?
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
Do you like cooking?
Do you like cooking?
Do you like to listen to music?
Do you like to listen to music?
Do you sing well?
Do you sing well?
Do you want money?
Do you want money?
Do you go to school by bus?
Do you go to school by bus?
Do you like to cook?
Do you like to cook?
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
Do you play soccer?
Do you play soccer?
Do you like basketball?
Do you like basketball?
Do you think I am handsome?
Do you think I am handsome?
Do you deliver on Sundays?
Do you deliver on Sundays?
Do you know him?
Do you know him?
Do you have a pet?
Do you have a pet?
Do you have a boyfriend?
Do you have a boyfriend?
Do you know that hotel?
Do you know that hotel?
Do you like Korean food?
Do you like Korean food?
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
Do you like to take photographs?
Do you like to take photographs?
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Do you understand?
Do you understand?
Do you like to exercise?
Do you like to exercise?
Do you think he will be happy?
Do you think he will be happy?
Do you like to travel?
Do you like to travel?